Well, here I am at the track on a Tuesday night, just a regular club race. See, I'm racing my two-wheel drive buggy, and we have this class that showed up. So I'm going to show you what class I'm talking about. Here's our indoor track. Check this class out. Looks like already 2 of them broke out, so there's only 2 left. So that there is Stadium Truck, if you guys don't know. Two-wheel drive Stadium Truck. Similar to a short course. It's a shorter wheelbase, but the same width. Tires are a little bit wider. But yeah, that is the class. I was going to ask you guys, do you still even run that class at your track? Let me know.